What's up, guys? Today's another video, and I'm gonna be reacting to another video. Well, it's not like a whole video, but it's a like any videos. But I'm reacting to funny sounds that will make you laugh. So let's get straight into this video. Let's do the first one. That was fun. Really fun. So yeah, let's go react to this one now. Okay.
Do you want to hear the most annoying sound in the world?
That was fun. Okay, extremely painful sound. Okay. Okay.
Hi, everybody.
What the heck?
Ding 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 ding. Dum bum 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 bum. Bum 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 rim run 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 ba 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 ba.
That was funny. Oh, it's the same one. I'm gonna hear it again. It's funny. Oh, this is not the same thing. Oh my god. That was crazy. Okay, that's enough. Okay, we'll listen to another one. Unexpected. Painful sound. Okay, we'll try this. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. So that's it for today. And see you in the next video. So bye guys.